Dear students, today I am going to discuss square and square roots part 2, which is a continued part from the previous video. Property fifth is the square of an even number is always an even number and the square of an odd number is always an odd number. Example is 12 square equals to 144. 12 is an even number and its square is 144, also an even number. 13 to the whole square equals to 169. 13 is an odd number and its square is 169, also an odd number. Property 6. First point is the square of a natural number except 1 is either a multiple of 3 or exceeds a multiple of 3 by 1. Second point is the square of a natural number except 1 is either a multiple of 4 or exceeds a multiple of 4 by 1. Example, we are taking 15 to the whole square or 15 to the power 2 equals to 225. So you find that sum of digits of 225 equals to 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 9. So 225 is a multiple of 3. That means 225 equals to 3 into 75. So 225 is divisible by 3. So it is a multiple of 3. Now 32 to the power 2 or 32 to the whole square equals to 1024. That is equals to 4 into 256. So we can say that 1024 is a multiple of 4 because 1024 is completely divisible by 4. Now property 7 is the square of a natural number ending with 5 follows a definite pattern. And as you see, 25 to the whole square equals to 2 into 300 plus 25 equals to 625. 35 to the power 2 or 35 whole square equals to 3 into 400 plus 25 equals to 1225. That means the tens digit into the successor of the tens digit. Tens digit is 3 and its successor is 4. So 3 into 4. Another is 85 to the whole square. Your tens digit is 8 and its successor is 9. So 8 into 9, 100 plus 25 equals to 7225. So the pattern is this, that any number, the square of any number which is having 5 at its unit place or ones place, and then its pattern will be tens digit into successor of the tens digit 100 plus 25. That is the product we will get. Okay, now property 8 says the sum of first and odd natural numbers is n square. For example, first odd number is 1 and 1 square is also 1. Now sum of first two odd natural numbers equals to 1 plus 3, that is 4, that is equals to 2 square. So here n is 2 numbers. Sum of first three odd numbers is 1 plus 3 plus 5. All these are odd numbers. That is equals to 9. So that is equals to 3 square because here n is 3. Sum of first four odd numbers equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 16. That is equals to 4 square. So here n is 4 and so on. In other words, if a number is a perfect square, then it is always equal to the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. So it is for odd numbers. Now Pythagorean triplet. If A, B, C are three numbers where C is greater than A and C is greater than B, such that A square plus B square equals to C square, then ABC is called Pythagorean triplet. Example is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 5, 12, 13 are Pythagorean triplets. Why? Because 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So both sides are equal. So 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. That is equals to 10 square 100. So 36 plus 64 is 100. So 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. And 13 square is 169. So 25 plus 144 is 169. So both are equal. So 5, 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. So thus for any number m is greater than 1, then 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. But exception this rule has that 5, 12 and 13 does not follow this rule. That means 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet, but it does not abide by the rule 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So 5, 12, 13, although it is a Pythagorean triplet, but it does not follow this rule that 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet when m is greater than 1. Yes, rest other numbers will follow this, but 5, 12, 13 does not follow this rule. Okay, thank you. And if you like, please share and subscribe.